Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today we are going to solve chapter 16 from class 5 geography book, Our Earth a Precious Planet. We will solve the exercise question answers and also try to solve some insight question answers from this chapter. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications on the right time. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment box, and if you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find all the videos from there. Let's start. Our Earth a Precious Planet. At first we have some objective type question answer. Number A, tick the right answer. The sun and wind, soil and water are unlimited resources. So, the answer is the sun and wind. Number 2, our main sources of energy are fossil fuels or sun and wind. So the answer is sun and wind. Number 3, 3/4 or a very small amount of Earth's water is available for our use. Answer is a very small amount. Number 4, carbon dioxide and particles of dust and smoke pollute the air, do not affect the air much. Answer is pollute the air. Number 5, plastic we throw away becomes part of the soil after some years or never becomes part of the soil. Answer is never becomes part of the soil. Now match the following. Usefulness of plants. What happens when people interfere? Number 1, purify the air by taking in. Natural purification of air is threatened. Number 2, protect the soil from erosion. Answer is soil is threatened. Number 3, provide a habitat for numerous kinds of animal life. Answer is natural habitats for animals and are threatened. Number 4, provide food and medicines. Answer is many useful varieties of plants are lost or threatened. Number 5, make the soil fertile in a natural way. Answer is soil is less fertile. Next, number C, write the problems that these solutions will help to solve. Number 1, plant more trees. The problem is deforestation. Number 2, conserve energy, waste of energy or excessive use of energy. Number 3, a bucket bath instead of a shower, waste of water. Number 4, use a cloth or jute shopping bag, use a plastic bag. Number 5, conserve paper, cutting trees. Now we have some question answers. Before we start the question answer part, again requesting you to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from the channel on the right time. Number 1, why are plants essential for us? Plants are essential for the survival of living organisms as they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They are also the main producers of food because of the presence of chlorophyll pigment. They provide us with day-to-day life things such as wood, timber, paper, etc. Number 2, explain how these words are linked. Bees, pollen, insecticide, almond trees. Bees are very necessary for many food plants like almond trees. They sit on flowers to suck nectar and their legs carry pollen from one flower to another. This helps plants to get more seed. Sometimes to kill insects, farmer apply insecticide. With so many bees dying, there were not enough bees to spread pollen and farmers were finding it difficult to grow new plants. Number 3, explain what the balance in nature like earlier and like now. Since all the Earth's resources are interconnected over thousands of years, nature developed a balance which allowed the environment to remain healthy. there was also a balance between people and the rest of nature. In earlier centuries, whenever people used resources such as wood or water, nature called renew itself. Nature could renew itself. The earth's resources like fossil fuels or soil that were created over thousands of years are being rapidly reduced or eroded. The earth cannot renew them at the same speed, nor can the earth cleans the air and water to keep up with the rate at which they are getting polluted. All this is upsetting the delicate balance that has existed for so many thousands of years. This is why it is essential to ensure that the earth is protected for today's people and also for the people who will be living here in the future. Next, explain what the balance in nature is. Balance in nature means interaction between biotic and abiotic components in equilibrium. Both components are interdependent on each other. Number 5, explain the motto reuse, reduce, recycle. Reuse. Instead of using and throwing away things, we need to think of reusable items. For example, instead of paper napkins, we can use cloth napkins that can be reused after washing. Instead of plastic shopping bags, we can use cloth bags. And instead of paper or plastic throwaway, glasses or plates, we can use glasses of steel or china which can be washed and reused. Reduce means a reduction in the uses of certain materials. If we stop the uses of certain materials such as plastic or reduce its uses to the bare minimum, we can avoid pollution at a tremendous rate. We can all conserve or reduce our use of nature's precious resources. Recycle, the means to turn something that has been used into other useful products. Recycled plastic, for example, can be made into buckets, mugs, shoes, and many other goods. Metals too can be recycled. So we will solve the extra question answers from the chapter. Before we start, requesting you to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from the channel. So here are some inside question answers from this chapter. Number 1. Which natural resources are threatened by pollution? Land, air, water. Number 2. Why does it need to conserve land, air and water? The land on earth is in different forms. Plants cannot grow on land that has no soil, is too dry or is covered by snow. On mountains too, only the lower mountains and hills have plants, so land with soil suitable for forest and crops is only a very small part of the total land on earth, so it needs to conserve land. About 3/4 of surface of the earth is water. Most of this is salt water in the seas. Some of the remaining water is ice. A very small amount is fresh water that is available for plants, animals and people. So we need to conserve water. The air that all living things breathe to survive is polluted due to human actions. Two main pollutants are unhealthy gases like carbon dioxide and particles in the air from smoke and dust. Scientists say that global warming is happening because the level of unhealthy gases in the air is too high. So, afforestation is needed to keep the air fresh and clean. Number 3. What should we do to save our world? Make sure that we do not contribute to the pollution of the earth. Plant trees and help to look after plants, trees and gardens that are already there. Read newspapers or listen to the news so that we are aware of news about the environment. People, even children, can change things. Government in India and rest of the world are working to improve the environment. So we solved the chapter. Our Earth Precious Plant. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from the channel on the right time. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment box. And if you have missed any video, then please check out the description box of playlist. You will find all the videos from there. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.